friends, did you hear about fiber optic bronchoscopy? This is a tool to diagnose lung disease. After the invention of this fiber optic bronchoscopy, the diagnosis of many lung disease has become easier. Lung disease like infections, lots of infections, and then malignancy, other diseases also we can diagnose easily by fiber optic bronchoscopy in those cases where other investigations are not helpful. Friends, in case of pulmonary tuberculosis also there is use of fiber optic bronchoscopy. Though pulmonary tuberculosis can be diagnosed primarily by chest X-ray VAVO and sputum smear microscopic examination of pulmonary mycobacterial tuberculosis. The important investigation of this pulmonary tuberculosis I have already discussed in my earlier videos. You can see that video. There I have told the important and primary investigations of pulmonary tuberculosis. So these two basic investigations are useful to diagnose pulmonary tuberculosis. But in rare conditions where we cannot diagnose by these two investigations or by CT scan also, there we can consider this fiber optic bronchoscopy. What we actually do is, if the chest X-ray is suggestive of pulmonary tuberculosis, if we suspect that this patient can have tuberculosis, but after doing sputum we see that there is sputum is negative, there is no mycobacterial tuberculosis found in slide. In that condition we can do fiber optic bronchoscopy. So this is one indication. I will tell you a few other indications. Second indication is if the patient is not able to produce sputum. If the patient doesn't cough out sputum, then how will we examine that sputum? So that is another indication. Third is immunocompromised patient. If they are having pulmonary tuberculosis, then we can do this fiber optic bronchoscopy. In small children, what happens is small babies, they are not able to produce sputum. So in that condition also we can do fiber optic bronchoscopy. Then in miliary tuberculosis, where sputum is usually negative, so in that condition also we can do this fiber optic bronchoscopy. So what is this fiber optic bronchoscopy is actually? A small tube, very thin tube is introduced inside the lung, and we can see what is inside the lung. We can see in a spin. According to that, we decide whether to take biopsy or whether to take any other lavage or anything or brush. Then accordingly we decide and we diagnose the case. So a thin tube is introduced inside the lung. Now if there is a problem in the chest X-ray, suppose there is infiltrate or there is nodules or cavity in the chest X-ray, and we are doing this scoping, we have introduced that tube, then we go to that particular segment or that particular lobe, and then from there we collect the biopsy or brushing or lavage or whatever we want. Or if there is nothing in the X-ray, X-ray is completely normal, but still we suspect that this patient is having some lung disease, in that condition we can take wash or brush from right middle lobe or left side lingua. So what are the other things we do when we go inside the lung? We do bronchial wash and bronchoalveolar lavage. In these two conditions we introduce saline and wash the lung or particular segment or lobe, then we aspirate that fluid and examine for mycobacterium tuberculosis. Then we can do endobronchial biopsy, transbronchial biopsy and brush biopsy. These are the investigations, these are the procedure we can do after doing fiber optic bronchoscopy. Friends, that's all about pulmonary tuberculosis and fiber optic bronchoscopy. What are the indications of FOB in case of pulmonary tuberculosis? That's all. Thank you for watching this video and stay healthy.